Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we study the class 10 chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation. Topic type of chemical reaction. Today we study the only two type of chemical reaction, combination reaction and decomposition reaction. In previous classes we already know that the how many types of chemical reaction. Type of chemical reaction are generally 6 type. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. 5, precipitation reaction. 6, redox reaction. Today we study about the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Combination reaction, chemical reaction in which the two or more reactant combine to give the only one product. Reaction in which two or more than two reactant are react with each other and give only one product. This type of chemical reaction is called the combination reaction. That means the कोई भी रिएक्शन है जिसमें दो 2 और 3 और 4 रिएक्टेंट पार्टिसिपेट करें बट प्रोडक्ट इज ओनली वन. Product is single compound. One product is obtained, then this type of reaction is called the combination reaction. It is the important point of the combination reaction. Reactant 2, 3 or 4 maybe reactant 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 maybe कुछ भी हो सकते हैं but product is only one. Example, N2 plus 3H2 give the 2NH3. Here 2 reactant give the one product. Second, CaO plus H2O give to the CaOH twice. Here 2 reactant but product is 1. MgO plus CO2 give the MgCO3. NH3 plus CO2 plus H2O give the NH4HCO3. Ammonium bicarbonate. NH3 plus CO2 plus H2O give the NH4HCO3. Name of the NH4HCO3 is ammonium bicarbonate. Here 3 reactant combine to give the one product ammonium bicarbonate. Next example, 2NH3 plus CO2 plus H2O gives to the NH4 whole twice CO3. Here 3 reactant to give the one product. All are the example of combination reaction. Next, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the just opposite of the combination reaction. In combination reaction, 2 or more than 2 reactant combine to give the one product, but in decomposition reaction, one reactant decompose to give the 2 or more than 2 product. Chemical reaction in which the one reactant decompose in the presence of heat, electricity and light to give the 2 or more product is called the decomposition reaction. Heat or electricity or light are the factor responsible for the decomposition or breaking of the compound into 2 or more product. Example, CaCO3 on heating decompose to give the CaO and CO2. Types of decomposition reaction. Breaking of any compounds occurs in the presence of heat or electricity or light. Breaking of any compounds occurs in the presence of heat or electricity or light. किसी भी compounds की breaking without factors नहीं हो सकती है. उसके लिए जो responsible factors हैं वह mainly heat या electricity या light होते हैं. On the basis of 3 factors, decomposition reaction are 3 types. First, if the decomposition take place in the presence of heat, then decomposition reaction is called the thermal decomposition reaction. Next, if the decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of electricity, then decomposition reaction is called the electrical decomposition reaction. Third, if the decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of light, that means the sunlight, is called the photochemical decomposition reaction. First we discuss the thermal decomposition reaction. if decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of heat is called the thermal decomposition reaction. If decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. For example, CaCO3 on heating decompose to give CaO plus CO2. 2NaHCO3 on heating give the Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Breaking of the calcium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate occurs in the presence of heat. So these example are the example of the thermal decomposition reaction. Next, electrical decomposition reaction. If the decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of electricity, it's called the electrical decomposition reaction. अगर किसी भी कंपाउंड्स की ब्रेकिंग इन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के प्रेजेंस में होती है, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, so this reaction is called the electrical decomposition reaction. For example, 2H2O on passing electricity give the 2H2 plus O2. 2NaCl on passing electricity give the 2Na plus Cl2. The breaking of H2O and NaCl occurs in the presence of electricity. So both example are the example of electrical decomposition reaction. Next, photochemical decomposition reaction. If the decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of light, that means the sunlight, is called the photochemical decomposition reaction. Photochemical words का मतलब ही होता है कि reaction which occurs in the presence of light, generally sunlight लेते हैं और ultraviolet light लेते हैं. The reaction which occurs in the presence of the sunlight or ultraviolet light is called the photochemical reaction. If breaking of compound take place in the presence of sunlight or ultraviolet light, then this reaction is called the photochemical decomposition reaction. Example of photochemical decomposition reaction: 2AgCl in the presence of sunlight decompose into 2Ag plus Cl2. 2AgBr in the presence of sunlight gives to the 2Ag plus Br2. This reaction 2AgBr in the presence of sunlight give the 2Ag plus Br2. This reaction used to develop the photographic film. यह रिएक्शन हमारी फोटोग्राफिक फिल्म जो रील वाला कैमरा होता है उसकी रील को डेवलप करने के लिए इस रिएक्शन 2AgBr इक्वल टू 2 इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट टू गिव द 2Ag प्लस Br2, इस रिएक्शन का यूज किया जाता है